There's one simple word that can generate you more sales. Can you guess what it is? Hey everyone, I'm Patel, and today I'm gonna share with you the power of no, the best sales tactic out there. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to this channel. That way, when I have more videos like this, you'll get notified. Do you want to start learning how to use the word no? I want you to first comment below you saying no. That's your start. The moment you can start saying no is the moment your sales are going to start going up. So let me first tell you a quick story on why you should be telling people no. In sales, you're going to have so many people being like, hey Neil, I need a discount, or can you also do this? And you're also going to even have existing clients like, oh, you're doing an amazing job, but can I also have this? Can you also reduce your price? Can you also help with this other thing that you don't provide services for, but I expect you to do them for free? The moment you keep saying yes and yes and yes to people, they'll realize like, oh, I can keep asking for the world and you're going to give it. Your margins are going to go down. You're going to be miserable. The client's going to get upset with you because you're not going to be able to produce good results due to the fact that you're helping them with stuff that you don't specialize in. But the moment you say no, they're going to not only respect you, but they're going to be paying you more money. So let's get into some tips. 1, when someone asks you for a discount or asks you to do more than what you're contractually obligated for, say no. Now, don't be a prick about it. If they want something super small and you want to go above and beyond to create amazing customer experience, of course, you can say yes or surprise them, but it should be on your own terms. Clients shouldn't be demanding this from you. It should be up to you, not them. So the moment people ask you for a discount, say no. There's nothing wrong with it. It's like dating. The moment you go after someone and they keep saying yes to everything, you're gonna get over them. You're not gonna be attracted to them anymore. The moment someone plays hard to get, you're gonna be like, oh my God, I'm in love. That's how it works in sales. You need to start saying no. Second tip for you, follow up with why. When someone asks you for a discount, I'll tell them, no, I can't give you a discount. I wish I would, but my margins are razor thin. And if you want a discount, I can give you one, but I'm gonna have to give you less services, which means you're not gonna get the results that you're expecting. By explaining why you're telling them no, they're gonna be like, oh, that makes sense, Neil. Sounds good to me. It really is that simple. It's not that complicated. The third tip I have for you is start using no in your workplace. When your boss, your coworkers ask you for something that is unreasonable, like a deadline that you can't meet, start saying no. But don't be mean to your coworkers and mean to your boss. Don't say no because you're lazy. If you can put in a few extra hours of overtime, even if you're not getting paid for it, do it. That's what a team player does. A company takes care of you, you take care of the company by putting them first as well. So don't say no because you're lazy. But if it's unrealistic and you know that no one's gonna meet the deadline, you should tell your boss, hey, I really wanna do it. I don't mind putting in the extra hours, but I know we're still not gonna hit the deadline. How about we do X, Y, and Z instead, which I think will help get us there, and it's a good compromise. That could either be cutting down the scope, or you change how you're doing it, you're getting a bit creative. But when you're dealing with coworkers and your boss, it's not just about saying no, it's about giving them a solution. By giving them a solution, they're gonna respect you. They're gonna be like, oh, awesome, Neil really cares for the business. He's trying to help me out. And by helping your coworkers out, you're not gonna have issues with them. You're gonna rise up the ranks and you're gonna do better in the corporate world. It's that simple. I know I gave you more tips than just for selling, but if you follow them, you'll do better. Seriously, some of my sales guys, they're so good at saying no now that when the client asks them for a discount, they'll just say no and they don't even follow up with the reason. They're just like, no, we're not gonna do it. This is what it's gonna take to give you the results. If you want something that's less, we're not the right company for you. The moment you put your foot down, that's when people will start respecting you. If you need help growing your business, make sure you check out my ad agency, Neil Patel Digital. And if you enjoyed this video, like it, comment, share it, tell other people about it, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.